Hello folks, welcome back. Let's start with the doji. So before starting the doji, I hope you remember in the previous video when I was recording this video in the live market, there was a flag pattern I was expecting to break and I got a breakout of this expected flag pattern over here. So let me show you. Actually, I taken a trade over here. This was a quick trade and this was just for a small profit and I had taken this much of profit when I had seen there is a reversal signal here. At the bottom, I find the inverted hammer. Okay. So this is the one thing I need to tell you before we should start. So you will be also be updated the way how I do the trade. And still the markets are open. Now in a moment the market would be closed. I would also had closed my positions. Okay, so I use trading chart to take the trades apart from my broker's chart, whatever I have the terminals. Now let's come to the doji. Let's start with the doji. So before starting the doji, I want to say you don't climb a tree to catch a fish. This is what the doji is. Means you should not have much expectation from the doji, okay? But it may give you some sort of idea. So let's start with the doji. So what the doji is actually. So what I say is doji is something where the price, whatever the place is open at almost at the same place, the price is closed. So let's say here the price opened, went the way up, the way down, and again closed at the same place. This is called a doji. And what the doji is, generally they don't have any body part. Okay. Now, again, there are a few very important points based on the experience I had written. You can please have a note of this. This is, I can say, the whole career what I had was trading and making the money, did some losses in the beginning, understood, recovered, in the whole journey about the doji. These 4 points actually in the whole journey, this is the whole journey of my life, I just come across the 4 point in the doji. The first point was the definition itself. The second point, very important, which I had written from bottom of my heart, they indicate that market is now at the transition point. Means market is about to change. They are saying there is an important point coming in the market now. They don't say anything about the reversal. There is a wrong statement in the market. Doozies are for the reversal. That's 100% incorrect in my opinion. Doozy never tells you about the reversal, but it will tell you the markets are at a transition point. Anything could happen. But whatever the rally was from the beginning, now that rally don't have much strength. Okay, there is no equal momentum now on the rally. So what the doji try to say, what I feel when I see the doji, when where I try to see doji, most of the time I try to see doji in the hourly charts and in the daily chart. I generally not prefer to trade doji on the minutes, 15-minute chart or 10 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart. They are not reliable at all. But you can still rely on doji a bit on longer time frame. What I feel so. Now, so what Doji says to me whenever I see a Doji in the chart pattern, what I see Doji saying this statement to me. Can you read that for me? Doji says to me the trend may be in the process of changing, but it is not changed yet. You should not, let's say there is uptrend and a Doji form. Can I change my direction of the trending? Am I going to short the trade? No. It is just an indication. Chances are now. The momentum now had been began but still not started. And again, the based on my experience, I never trade dozy alone because it's first of all, it's not give you the indication of reversal, and I only need to combine. Even if I get a dozy, there is no other way out. I'm getting only a dozy on the chat. I will try to combine dozy with some other signal confirmation. Then only I would going to take a trade. Otherwise, I will simply skip the trade. On the dozy, I alone never take a trade. Doesn't mean how much dozy is reliable. I will not take a trade just on the dozy. Okay. And I hope you should never be after this class. So how many types of dozy? The main, you can see there are 4 types of dozy, whatever I had seen. The main, there are other also special one we are going to discuss. The first one is a standard doji. Okay, that's the doji you will find most of the time like a plus symbol. Okay, the cross symbol. Okay, the second is long leg doji, which I had explained in the beginning of the class. I hope you remember. That is also called the rickshaw man. Okay, again there is again more inside. Rickshaw man is a kind of long doji. I'm not going much in that. but long leg doji are something which indicates there is a huge confusion in the market. This doji, standard doji, indicates buyer are and seller having the equal strength now. This doji indicates there is no clear point of view in the market. Where the market would go, market don't know. And whenever this doji appears, I just leave that particular script even for 1 or 2 days. Let the market decide where they want to go. Then I would enter in the trade. Otherwise, I will leave that trade at all. Third one is Dragonfly Doji, which you all know. And the fourth one is the Gravestone Doji. Gravestone Doji already we have discussed. Now, what the gravestone means? Gravestone is nothing but the gravestone of the bulls that have been died after defending their territory, right? Means after a huge bull run, now they are defeated. This is the indication. Now there are bulls having no power, or almost they are losing their powers. Okay, so this is what this doji indicates. So at this slide, what you understood is doji is not a indication of reversal. It is just indicating there is a transition point now started, and the there might be, it's not sure, might be process of the trend is changing, but it's not changed yet. I will combine other signals, then I will come to know the signal this doji was really reliable that time with other signal or not. The doji, let's meet in the next session where I would try to explain you when the doji could be more effective. What is the effective way to use the doji?